Now I would like to discuss about the differential equations. Differential equations. First, we discuss about the derivative. What is the differentiation? What is the derivative? Differentiation and derivative both are same. Derivation or differentiation. The rate of change of the variable. The rate of change of variable is called derivative. Suppose we are taking in general the temperature. Temperature changes with respect to time. The rate of change of variable is called derivative. Here temperature depends on time. In this, temperature and time both are related one to another. If time increases, the temperature is decreases. Okay, here time is independent variable, temperature is dependent variable. This time independent variable is taking as small t, temperature is a dependent variable, it is taking as small x. Here rate of change of the variable is denoted by dx by dt. The rate of change of the variable is denoted by dx by dt. That is nothing but the temperature x changes with respect to t, that is called as the derivative. It is denoted by the dx by dt. In the same way, dx by dt changes with respect to t, then it is the d square x by dt square. Okay. In the same way, d square x by dt square, the rate of changes with respect to t is called third order derivative, that is d cube x by dt cube. In the same way, d power n minus 1 x by dt power n minus 1 changes with respect to t, then the rate of change is said to be d power n x by dt power n. Here the measurement values of dx by dt, d square x by dt square, so on d power n x by dt power n, these are all are rate of changes with respect to the time t. Here x is the dependent variable, t is the independent variable. It is the derivative definition. Next definition is the definition of differential equation. Definition of differential equation. Differential equation means an equation is involving with the derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables. An equation involves derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables. Such equation is called as the differential equation. An equation involves the derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables. Then that equation is called as the differential equation. Actually, differential equations are how many types? Types of the differential equations. Types of differential equations. Two types are there. There are two types of differential equations. First one is ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. Second one is partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation means an equation involves one or more dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. Only one independent variable. Such equation is called as ordinary differential equation. Generally, it is denoted by d by dx, or here dy by dx. In this, y is the dependent variable, x is independent variable. Partial differential equation means an equation involves derivatives of one or more independent variables, two or more independent variables. Partial differential equation means an equation involves derivatives of two or more dependent variables with respect to two or more independent variables. Such differential equation is called as partial differential equation. Generally, it is denoted by dou by dou x, dou by dou x, dou y, dou by dou x, dou t, like that. Dou is nothing but that is the partial differential equation. In this, two or more independent variables are involved. Okay. The general form of the ordinary differential equation is function of dependent variable, independent variable and its derivatives dx by dt, d square x by dt square. If it involves nth derivative, then that is d power n x by dt power n. If it is equal to 0, it is called as the ordinary differential equation general form. Okay. Two types are there: ordinary, partial. Ordinary means with respect to only one independent variable. Partial means two or more independent variables are involved in a differential equation. The general form of ordinary differential equation is function involves dependent, independent and its derivatives up to nth derivative is equal to 0, then that is the ordinary differential equation.